Hello guys, it is me, Detune from Tune Shop Cycling. Today we've got a free bike. It's a Trek 850 from 1997. And in its current state, it is pretty dirty and it needs a little bit of adjusting. Like for example, this rear, it does not shift at all. It's broken. And the teeth are skipping on the front chainring or the rear, I have no idea.
Anyways, so we got this for free because of Cody. So he's offering us a job for weekends, and we're gonna get like $10 to $15 an hour, which is insane. It's basically a 9 to 5. There's some issues with it, like he said. One of them being but pretty much this is one of the top end bikes you could get back in your day, and it's probably one of the best bikes you can get just because of its lineup. It has it's original pieces, and the tires, they are insane. They are like Maxxis before Maxxis. And these cranks, by the way, they go down to the floor. This is basically an XL frame for this era. This is insanely huge. And speaking of, the stem is pretty freaking long. That's long. So this is probably like a week or two before we finish this video, because it's going to be a before and an after, an upgrade video. It's just going to be our longest video ever combined. We're probably even going to have to get some computer clips in there. But you will see this in this video starting from February 19th, 2026 all the way to, and yeah, this will be a very long project, and hope to see you in the future.